Hey Stalwart Fam!
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
My name is Faye.
My name is Michael.
And we are
the Stalwart Lovers. And today we have my mom again in this studio. We told you already last week that she's going to come back again for a game called Who Knows Me Better? My wife or my mom. Alright, so I've made their questions very easy so that it's going to be balanced. Alright, so it's going to be the first person that signifies that they know the answer that will get it. So it doesn't really say anybody's
so what are
wrong.
the rules of the game now?
The rule is just once I ask the question, if you know it, you tap my hand. The first person to tap my hand
gets
to answer. Then if you don't get it, then the other person answers it, and I'll be counting your scores. Alright?
Okay.
But before we continue, if you're new here, make sure you like this video and subscribe. We are the Stalwart Lovers. We post amazing videos on faith, relationship, and lifestyle. And to our returning subscribers, thank you so much. We love you.
Yes.
Okay, so are you ready?
Yes, sir. So raise your hand up very
Please take your eyes away. Take your.
Why the caramo?
I'm not going to let anybody shit.
Okay.
Okay, first question.
Yeah, raise your hands.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
First question. Can you see my hand? Let me put my hand here. Yes.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Mom, are you set? Are you set? Okay. What is the name of my primary school?
I don't know it.
You have to know it before you tap. Okay, what's the name of my primary school? Hey, 1-0. That was the bonus question to my mom because I know that you've been trying to ask me. Okay, don't worry. I have to give my mom bonus. You have a bonus question. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Next one.
Yeah.
Are you ready? If you tap and you don't know the answer and you tap, I will subtract the score. What is my best food ever?
Your best food ever is pounded yam and egusi.
Hey, fantastic. Okay. 1-1. Shift back. Okay, this one is bonus. So fastest finger.
Fastest finger, okay.
My mom, fastest finger. Put your hand down first. Both of you put your hand down.
So we have to do that.
In which building was I born? Okay.
Church. You're born in a church. Church mission.
Mom, yeah, it's like you want her to win. That's why you're trying to do slow.
No problem.
No,
you're
removing the phone. You're removing the phone out of
You're removing the phone out of it.
Don't worry. Doesn't matter who wins. I know both of you know the questions. Alright. So that's 2-1.
Mommy. I'm winning.
Okay, so you are 2-1, Abi? Okay, so which will I prefer? Swim or play football?
Swim.
Okay, 3-1. Mom, you need to be fast. You need to be fast.
Mommy is not tapping his hand on that. That's why.
Okay, let's change.
Give it to her.
I beg. Okay, next one. Eba or semo? Which one?
Eba.
Yes, correct.
Okay, yeah, of course.
I don't like semo, guys. I don't like semo at all. So
what's
that's 3-2. 3-2. Okay, let me ask you another one. Would I rather bathe hot water or cold water? Hey, she told me first.
Oh, she thought,
cold water.
Oh my god.
3-3.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. I'm coming for you.
Nice. My mom knows me. I hate hot water. Like. Okay. Now this one. What is the name of my childhood best friend? Okay, you told me first.
Mape.
Name, not nickname.
Okay, Matthew.
Yeah, Matthew. Okay, 4-3. Okay, this one. Fastest finger, trust me, you guys know the answer. Would I rather wash plate or cook? That's a tie.
Is it tie?
Yes. So first person to answer.
Wash plates. Yes, wash plates. Wash plates.
I'd rather wash plates 1,000 times than cook once.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That was a tie though. Mom, your answer not fast though. What? Are you ready? Are you ready? What was my best subject in secondary school? Tie!
Mathematics.
Okay, this is getting. This is like you're leading out by 2 now.
Yes.
It's like 5-3. Mom, close your leg now.
I'm fine.
Would I rather play drums or play keyboard?
The mommy beat you first.
You hit me first.
Or keyboard. That's
Wrong.
Oh, drums, sorry. Is
They're
that
both wrong.
It's drums.
They're both wrong.
It's drums.
I love drums. I
don't
love
know.
keyboard.
Mommy's keyboard. What mommy said?
In this life,
It's
do not be
actually drums.
influenced.
It's drums.
I'd rather drum than play keyboard.
Yeah.
But I love both of them.
Yeah.
So that's no
It's true.
answer from both of you.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
What was my first job? My mom taught me first.
Oh, yeah.
My first job and where?
Lecture at Akure.
No!
No!
From where? Where did I lecture in Akure? My mom, first job!
Mommy,
I'll give her bonus. See now.
Mommy has
She-
given us that. Oh, let me give us that.
No, calm down. You are leading now. The reason why I'm giving her bonus is because
But baby, I'm
sure
breaking the rules of the game. Mommy has given an answer.
oh yeah,
No problem.
I'm sure you're going to miss it. Don't forget the question. First job. And where? Oh yeah.
You taught at it was in nursery school, primary school, thereabouts. You taught as a teacher after your WAEC. Yes.
Where?
I might not know the exact school, but I know that was your first job.
Oh yeah, you have
At least
chance to
I
redeem
have
yourself.
at least I have answer. Oh, yeah, Mom.
If she gets the 2, then she gets the points. Oh yeah, I need to be partial a little bit. Clearly, we are leading now. If you go, oh yeah, I thought as a teacher. What school?
The voice.
How would I have known that? But I got half. You give me half. Even if she has 1, you give me half.
You missed it.
Eh?
She missed it.
Are you serious?
Yes, it's Day Spring.
That's
Yes.
You know why she said the voice?
Why?
School of
The pastor of the Voice Church
Oh.
is the owner, is the proprietor of Day Spring School. So she mixed it up. Okay, so I'll give it to you as the points.
Okay.
To just
okay,
be fair.
Okay, so that's 6-3, Abi.
This was a serious leading. Okay.
Guys, I came here to, but then,
Okay. Mention at least 3 sports I did in secondary school. Time. 3 sports.
Football, table tennis, and did you run? I'm not sure.
Why are you asking?
I know there was
3
football and
sports
table
that I
tennis.
did in secondary school.
Football, table tennis, and you ran. I think you ran. I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah, now let me hear you. You're not too correct.
football, table tennis, and
Not last one.
snooker.
No.
That's
Snooker
not-
was when you were older.
You guys don't know me. See, both of them don't know me.
No.
But you tried for table tennis because oh man, I was known for that. We used to
Yes,
play table
I know
tennis
that
a
you.
lot.
Yes.
But we didn't. It wasn't like one official table tennis. But the sport that I did, I played football, even though I was not so good at it. I played table tennis and I ran.
Volleyball. Okay,
I
ran.
ran track race for inter-house sports.
Should I say
I did long jump.
Okay.
You probably don't know that. I did high jump
Okay.
and a few more. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So yes, we have
So-
come to the end of our Who Knows Me Better game. Obviously, my wife knows me better. Or should I say she was?
My victory.
She
I
was
faster,
She was
actually.
more competitive. My mom
Yes,
just
I was
wanted
more
to do
competitive.
your wife now. I give it to her. All these mothers.
All these mothers.
If she was a Western mom now, they will compete.
They will compete. No,
All right.
see, I should do that. I did.
Anyway, I love both of you. I love both of you so much. So thank you for coming to my tech talk.
Yes.
So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel.
Yes.
Of course, drop a comment, and we'll
Yes,
see you in our next video.
All right.
Till we come your way again.
Keep loving.
And keep believing.
We are
The Stalwart Lovers!